Okay, what you want to do next is assemble your metering block. What you want to do is get your new power valve. It came in the kit. Here's a new power valve. Gasket. Put the gasket on your power valve. And before you assemble this metering block, put it in your dip, clean it good. Then blow out each hole with your air nozzle. Compressed air helps these out a lot. Take your new power valve and make sure your gasket is centered on it, because the last thing you want is a bad seal. There it goes, gasket centered as you didn't see in the video. See the gasket sitting on it. If it's camera focus, like that. Then you want to hand snug it and take you channel locks or whatever you use in the winch and just very snug it, not too tight. And as you can see, we've got the new power valve jets. You want to clean them out with compressed air. If it don't clean them, hold them up to the light. You can look through them and see how dirty they are, and if they need clean, you can take torch tip cleaners and also run through them and clean them. These is 69 size jets. Good old 69. Everybody likes 69. Take your a one way. Snug them. Not too tight though, because they will break. I think this carburetor came stock with 64. Somebody upgraded them to 69. Okay, once you get that, you want to go make sure you snug this up with channel locks. That's what I'm going to do. And pretty much that's how you rebuild your metering block. Now just a quick tip. You can take your floats and some water, drop it in the water. If it floats and don't sink, it's good, because these plastic floats can crack and they will hold gas, and then if they hold gas, it's pretty much a no-brainer, because they will sink and your car will flood out. It's just a mess. So you definitely want to make sure your floats are good. Even the tin floats, you know, they can go bad too. But if they go bad, you can pretty much solder them and quick fix them. These plastic ones, actually, truth be told, I prefer the tin over the plastic. But that's a quick tip, just in case you didn't know. Okay guys, let's assemble the float bowls. First you want to make sure you get the right side. This is your front bowl with the power cell right that goes here. This goes in here, like so. Once you get that, next step, let's go ahead and put a little nipple in. The little thing I call a nipple is this. It lets fuel go in one way and not the other. It goes in and you gotta wiggle it and mash it in. Most of the time you have to pull on it like that. If this camera will show you, the best thing to pull on it with is needle nose. So try to get in video here. You want to be gentle too and not tear it, because it will break. And as you can see, right there, it's in. Once you get that, you need the spring. You put your spring in, like so. You can take your new diaphragm. This is the old one, right here. You can tell it's carburetors we've been rebuilt once before. Never mind, this is old. My bad, people, my bad, this is a new one. But as you can see, this one has been rebuilt once upon a time. We will take a new one, which is 10 times better than the one we had. You want to put it on like so. Next, you want your cover for it, which is right here. As you can see, it'll go one way. Well, it'll go on several ways, but it goes on just like so. So when you hit the gas, you know, it works at right now. So I'm going to throw the bolts back in this, then we go to the float bolts. Okay, next thing you want to do is put your floats in. Make sure your spring is on it. Once you get your spring, you can take and insert your float like so. Make sure your spring sits in there good. And it should be just like this. As you can see, like that. Next thing you want to do is take this section, start it in, like so. Once you start it in, you need to take your thing off to adjust it, because you're going to need to adjust this power well to the bow, which as you can see is nowhere near power well. So let's see if we can get it. Whoops, sorry. Bad camera. I can't look at the camera. And that's pretty well power well to the bow right there. Okay guys, next thing you want to do is put your C-clip back on this part. But once you get this, you want to adjust this power well. And as you can see, that is not right. It's still too low. So we're going to bring it up some. Which right there should be close enough. Now we will hold this set screw and tighten this nut. Okay guys, I'm going to do as best I can, because like I said, I can't see where the camera is. This right here goes in pretty much one way, right like so. Once you get that, you can take your float and spring, which is right here, and insert it like so. Now there's a C-clip goes on the end of this, which I got new ones in the kit. I'm going to put on it. I'm going to just show you exactly what to do before then. Next, you want to set your bows power well. Well, what you want to do that, pretty much loosen that set screw, take and tighten that up, and as you tighten this up, this float will go up. And just keep packing your set screw out, and then set it power well to it. Once it's power well, which looks about like that, you can adjust the rest of it if need be on the car, but that's pretty much the setting that you need to be at. Next, you want to find your metal gasket and put right here on that. So I'm going to do that now, and then we go to something else on this carburetor. Okay guys, now let's get a gasket ready and assemble this back part of the carburetor right here. Make sure all your holes line up and you ain't got none blocked off. Now you will want to use this gasket too. This gasket goes on behind this, like so. You will want to, should be right like this. Just like so. But there we go. It should look just like that right there. Okay, next step is taking your crutch bits. That's what's supposed to be used on these, which we use it one way. Get away with it. It ain't like it's Super Nintendo and you need like special tools to get into it. You can actually make something work with these.
You need to hold it.
Give me that way, please. Now you just want to snug these, because you do got gasket. But I'm going to have to get something to snug them better than what I got here. So, let me snug these on up. Okay, next you want to install your float bowl cover. Here's us. We done got it set power well. As you can see in the previous video, you need to take it and put it in like so. Then you want to take your new O-wings and put on your boats. You got 4 of them. These are plastic. As soon as I find the nut driver. Check and make sure ain't no different sizes, which it ain't, and all of them should go in pretty easy without any problems. Okay, we got that side assembled and done. What a pretty Holley. Next, we will want a feed tube. Okay, next thing is put your wings on this and feed them in the bowl. Like so.
Just like that.
Just like that. Once you get that, you can take your bow, which your boss is assembling, put it on just like so. Now you 4 bolts, which is here, 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 and here. Make sure you got your seals for your bolts on it. And now your bolt should start. And screw in easy. Next, we will get the base plate. Make sure you can see this in the video. Okay, what kind of base plate gasket is? Where are we at? Huh. Take the time. Make sure we get the right ones, because you definitely don't want to mess this up. And that got everything we need right now. We found it first try. Took some tries, but we got it. That we did. And double check. Make sure. As you can see, everything is good. Looks good to me. So we are going to install this base plate now. What you want to do is pretty much the simplest of the simple is make sure you put it on right. And when it's on right, it'll sit down like so, and you can give it gas like so, and it will work. Now I'm going to tighten these 6 bolts up. Okay guys, we're back. Now we're going to finish this up. We got the base plate on, finally. Next thing we want to do, can you guess? Anybody? Anybody at all? Let's put the choke on. You got a little clip goes in this. You need to put that in. Because if you don't, there's going to be a pain in your behind. So once you get that, as you can see, it sits like so, which is pretty neat. Okay, and then you take, you probably see my head, the little clip that you had right here. Now this kit does not come with one. It does not. Why it don't come with one, I do not know. Something you have to ask that kid about, I guess. Well, anyway. And set it down like so. Then you can start you some screws. And then you put your clip on after you get it pretty well set. Okay guys, that's pretty much got the carburetor all done. I'm going to show you a quick video of it before I finish up this video. But basically the camera finally died. Yeah, it took us quite some time to get this video done, and we kind of left the camera recording the whole time. So I apologize for that. But it turned out great. We're going to put it on the Trans Am soon, so it will be a video of that. If you've not seen the Trans Am, it's a 4th gen with an old school 350 in it. You can check out my videos on my channel. And until next time I see you in, so enjoy this video of the carburetor put together.